Power BI is powerful, but without data, it's useless. So the first real step in data analysis is importing data into Power BI. In this video, I will show you how to input data step by step using real examples. By the end of this video, you will ready to build your first dashboard. Hello everyone, welcome back to TrendIgnite, where you learn data analytics, Power BI and real career skills step by step. In the previous video, we understood the Power BI interface. Now let's import data and start working with it. What you will learn? In this video, you will learn how to import Excel data, how to connect to different data sources, how to preview and load data, difference between load and transform. What is data import? Before we start, let's quickly understand what data imports means. Data import means bringing data from sources like Excel, databases or online services into Power BI. This is the first step in any data analysis process. First open Power BI desktop. Now go on to the Home tab. Click on Get Data. You will see many data sources option. For beginners, we will start with Excel. So click on Excel Workbook. Power BI supports many sources like Excel, CSV file, SQL Server, web browser. Now select your Excel file from your computer. Click Open. Power BI will load the file and show a preview. You will now see the navigator window. This shows all the sheets and tables in your Excel file. Select the sheet you want to import. You can also preview that data here. Now you will see two options: Load, Transform data. Let's understand the difference. Load directly loads data into Power BI. Transform data opens Power Query Editor to clean and modify data. For now, click on Load. Once you click on Load, your data will appear in the Fields panel. This means your data has been successfully imported. You are now ready to create visuals. Let me quickly show you something. Drag a column, create a single chart. As you can see, we have already started analyzing data. So in this video, we learned how to import data into Power BI, how to select data sources, how to use navigator, difference between load and transform. In the next video, we will learn how to clean and transform data using Power Query Editor. This is one of the most important skills in Power BI. If you want to become a data analyst, follow this series step by step. Make sure to subscribe to TrendIgnite and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.